So let's talk about this all caps name and why it is not your name and it's a misspelling of your name. It's a sound alike name, like two, two, and two. I just said three words there. They sound alike, but they're all spelled differently. So so what's happening is that the government has these manuals that they have to go by standard. This is the standard across the board. You can find this stuff in a NASA publication. I get some more accurate reference. I don't know it off the top of my head, but in a GOP style manuals, and you can actually reference the Constitution of how they actually spelled their name. And if you all go back to school, it's called a proper noun or a proper name, and it talks all about this in that manual. So in this manual, I read through this manual, and the only thing that is capitalized is abbreviations. My name is not an abbreviation, it's not an acronym. Those are the only thing that makes it capitalized. And so a proper name is uppercase, rest is lowercase. That's a proper noun, person, place, or thing. So even if they want that thing to be that way, it could be that thing have to be a proper noun. So it's not only is a misspelling, it doesn't even go along with the English. Also, you can use certain definitions, because definitions show you how they actually spell and write things. And courts, judges uses these whenever they need to look up a word, because they don't know everything in the world. So even they have to look up information. And law operates off presumption. So they assume you to be that name. They assume you to spell your name that way all the time. So you also have to take that assumption away. So I'm in the process of making my petition for a name correction. I'd say a name correction because it's a correction of record. I need to correct the record. So I'll be submitting that next week about my name correction, so I can actually have a court ordered. It's actually a guy in my county that actually did it, and he got a lot of references in there. That's why I was able to find it, because I was like, man, what makes an all caps name an all caps name? And also, I don't even say all caps. I say styled in all caps. I don't use straw man in my documents. They don't recognize that term. You have to use legal terms that they will recognize, and they recognize legal fiction. It's a definition in you could ask, what is the legal term for legal fiction?